Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a single line border in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see we open a sheet to this spreadsheet or make a sheet. Now we want to add the single border to this sheet. At first, select the sheet, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu, select the borders drop down menu and go to more border option. Then we can see here open a window, we go to the border section. Now I am select the single border and enable the top, bottom, left or the right border. You can add the middle or the vertical or horizontal border, then click OK. Then we can see we added a single border in Excel easily. You want to make sure the border is added, go to the file menu, select the print option and check the print preview. We can see we added the border easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.